The rifle was never supposed to exist. It was buried in redacted files, erased from history. But some secrets don't stay buried. They called him Crow, a sniper who never missed. No hesitation, no mercy, just a breath and silence. Then one day, Crow vanished. No body, no weapon, only an empty position and a legend that refused to die. Decades later, Ethan Cross tried to live quietly. He told himself the past was over. He was wrong. The message came without warning. Coordinates, one sentence: you were chosen. It led him deep into the mountains, to a place that smelled of ash and memory, a cabin that should have stayed forgotten. Inside, waiting in the dark, was the rifle, unmarked, untouched, as if it had been waiting. The moment he touched it, his hands stopped shaking, and something inside him woke up. 2 miles away, one shot, perfect. The rifle didn't adjust, it remembered. Faces bled together, jungle and mountains collided. Crow wasn't gone, he was watching from inside. Lena noticed the change first, the silence, the way Ethan stared through people like he was already aiming. She loved him. But love doesn't survive obsession, and the rifle was becoming everything. Lena dug into the past, classified files, missing men, and one word repeated again and again: Crow. Ethan woke screaming, the dream still breathing with him, and beside the bed, the rifle pulsed like it was alive. By morning, the rifle had chosen a name, a face, a target Ethan had never agreed to, but couldn't refuse. The crosshairs steadied, his finger tightened, and somewhere in the silence, Crow smiled. This was only the beginning. Subscribe and stay ready. Part 2 is coming. More redacted mysteries are closer than you think.